A quick video today with a property in East Sussex looking to add a bit of style by adding our heritage panelling. The client had the panelling painted in white, but cleverly the handrails and spindles were painted in black, and once the carpet was laid, the staircase just looked amazing. The key to panelling a staircase is within the angles and making sure the panels appear more oblong than square. This will add to the flow of the panels and make the staircase appear longer than it actually is. The mouldings were fitted directly onto the stringer and the existing skirting, and we used our 9mm Rebated Dado Rail to finish the top. The panelling continued upstairs to the landing, where the panelling again was fitted directly on top of the skirting, and our clients at the end of our project were delighted with the transformation. Thank you for watching our video today, and please like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos from the Wall Panelling Company.